I am a tisank for a cancer and a brochure for the senior own quine and ye. A brochure for a young quine pa. What is here? It will fully be yaka. I baby dear, we had no more ye gumo home and nam. What the awful say for phone quiet that I have phone quantity to do a Ghana. I was all betty taster. And quine them for 4 years there. What is here? It mean quine and the idea about them. They say have
Junior want to not be on my. I can't really see what did I miss. Ex-strippers.
Good morning, you all, and welcome back to this channel. On today's episode, it's all about Mother's Day. So I am heading out at this moment to go and get some groceries shopping done to be able to cook some sumptuous meal, which is dinner, for my wife. So stay tuned, and I'll keep you guys updated. But also, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share this content to your family and friends. I believe you are all doing well, and welcome back to this channel. Okay, on today's episode, it's a cooking day, and today also marks Mother's Day in the UK, which is on the 30th of March. So I am preparing chicken light soup together with fufu for the whole family. So I've got my 2 full chickens here that I will do justice to in a minute. So stay tuned. So now we'll leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes for it to start boiling. Then I'll get all the chicken out of it because the chicken is so soft. At this moment, the fufu is ready or recorded. So, I'm just driving the fufu. Mereka fufu no, meka fufu no. Look at how neat and beautiful it looks. Ebedi, ebedi, edibani, edi. Happy Mother's Day to my wife and all mothers in this world. And make sure you enjoy this meal. Stay tuned. Bye.